Here's how to apply a HyperSeal mouldable seal. Take the HyperSeal mouldable seal out of the dispensing pack. The pack makes it easy to take out one seal at a time. And you can see how many you have left, so you'll know when to reorder. Remove the seal from its individual protective wrapper. Make sure your stoma and the skin around it are clean and dry. Warm the seal in your hands for about 30 seconds. This makes it easier to shape and stick to your skin. Now, gently stretch the seal to fit around your stoma, or if it's easier, break the ring open, fit it around your stoma and rejoin the ends. The seal should sit snugly around your stoma, close enough to stop leaks, but not tight or uncomfortable. There shouldn't be large gaps around the edges. Apply gentle pressure around the seal to help it stick securely to your skin. Now apply your stoma pouch over the seal, making sure it sticks well to both the seal and the surrounding skin. Hold it in place for 30 to 60 seconds. Your mouldable seal is now forming a seal between your skin and your pouch, improving fit and reducing leaks. Some people prefer to place the mouldable seal directly onto the flange first, lining it up with the hole before applying the pouch. It's all about finding what works best for you. Mouldable seals can make a big difference in your stoma care, helping your pouch stay in place, protecting your skin and reducing leaks. If you're not sure which type is right for you, your stoma care nurse can help you choose and show you how to apply it.